The following segment is sponsored by Moda Health.
Welcome back to AM Northwest. It's National Nutrition Month, so here with expert tips and resources to help us with our health goals, we welcome from Moda Health Wellness Advisor, Amy Kearns. Hi, Amy.
Hi, Helen. How are you?
Good. So let's talk about, you say, the biggest challenges that folks are facing right now regarding nutrition.
Yeah, so I'm sure we can all agree it's been an extremely stressful year for everybody, and that's presented some challenges. So normally when we're going through stressful times, sometimes our nutrition can take a back seat, and that's completely okay, completely understandable. But I think it's important to recognize now that we are in National Nutrition Month. We're also in springtime. Going to go into summertime, which is when produce, fruits, and veggies are going to be like at their peak of freshness. And so now is a wonderful time to really reset if you have been struggling with kind of focusing on your nutrition over the past year.
When you say reset, let's talk about parents and their kids, how parents can help themselves and their children when it comes to nutrition.
Yes. So definitely a struggle if you are a parent, with the uncertainties around school. Maybe you've been working from home, maybe your kids have been doing school from home, and you're essentially just trying to get food onto the table all day long, every day. And so sometimes we look for those quick, convenient things. But it is important, of course, to make sure you are feeding not only yourself, but your family healthy foods. So keeping things on hand. Having those go-to quick, simple snacks, ingredients to make healthy meals kind of ready to go can really help support you and your family eat a little bit healthier.
And you say Moda has some recipes.
Yes. So with me today, I have 2 recipe booklets. So we use these internally at Moda for our clients and members, but they are also available online for the public as well. So I'm holding up, we have one called Give Smoothies a Shot. This is a recipe booklet with 20 smoothie recipes, and you'll see when you open it up on one page, it describes the health benefits of one of the main ingredients in the smoothie, and then it gives you the recipe. The other booklet I have here, so this book was actually a concept by one of my coworkers, Carrie Townsend. It's called Don't Walk By, Foods to Try. So inside this booklet, you will find a host of fruits and vegetables that are a little bit unique. Maybe you walk by them in the grocery store, maybe you aren't sure what to do with them. This booklet makes them more approachable. So it tells you what the food is, how to select it, how to store it once you get home, and then different ways that you can prepare it. And then there's also a couple recipes at the very end of the booklet that highlight the ingredients that you learn about as you go through the booklet.
What do you think our viewers should avoid? You talk about what we should try. What should we avoid now?
Definitely. So highly processed foods, foods that are just kind of full of sugar and maybe artificial ingredients that just don't have a ton of nutritional value. Also, those foods that are really tempting on those busy nights, like the fast food, drive-through food, takeout even. I used to work in a restaurant, and so I can say from firsthand experience that we like to load your restaurant food with sodium.
Yeah.
That's why it tastes so good. We're heavy-handed with the salt, but it's not always the best for us. So those are sort of the things that you want to try to eat less of, and then focus more on those whole foods, like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, nuts, things like that.
What is in your fridge or in your kitchen right now that you have on hand in case you get hungry?
Oh, for me? That's a great question. So right now I have hummus. I also have different veggies to go along with the hummus. So I have some carrots and red peppers, so I could do a really quick, kind of nutritionally dense, but also protein-packed snack if I had to. And then one of my favorites, like I said, I have the smoothie booklet. I always have ingredients on hand to make a smoothie. Okay. So I always have frozen fruit in my freezer ready to go. I have milk. I drink almond milk, so I always have that in my refrigerator. I have yogurt or nut butter to add that protein boost. Kind of those are some things I can think of right now that I have ready to go in case I get hungry.
All right, well, we want to tell our viewers if they would like to find out more, you can contact Moda Health, and you can go especially to modahealthminute.com for more information, especially about those pamphlets that you talked about. Amy, thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
You can go enjoy your hummus now.
I am. I'm hungry. I'm going to go eat.
We'll be right back with more AM Northwest. Don't go away.